Hello guys, let's start. We'll take a A4 size paper. Now cut it into half, and to the other half we'll again divide into half and cut it. Now draw a big circle on it. And similarly on the other paper also make a circle. Now we have to cut both the circles. Okay, now we have two circles, one big and small. Now fold it like this, one fold, two fold and the third fold. Similarly with the small circle also fold it 3 times. Okay, now we'll draw a shape of petal. Same on the smaller one also. Okay, now we will cut it. As we open it, we'll get a beautiful flower. Now, okay, now with the other one also do it the same. Okay, now we'll take a small strip of yellow paper. Now cut it this way. Okay, now we will roll it. And stick the end with the help of glue. Okay. Now we will stick one flower on another and this small one in the middle. Cut out the extra. So I have made 8 small flowers and I have strings, 8 strings of different length. So I'll start sticking the flower on these strings with the help of hot glue gun. Similarly, we have to stick all the strings with the flowers one by one and let it dry. Now I have stick all the strings with the flowers and I have taken 4 strings of same length and that I am going to stick on this plastic disc. If you don't have disc, then you can use any round shaped cardboard. Now you have to stick the 4 similar length strings on this disc with the help of hot glue. Yeah. Okay, now our strings are firm now. Now we will stick these flowers. I have 8 flowers. Okay, now we'll stick it one by one at some distance. Okay. Now I have made these flowers with orange and red color. Okay. Now on the side of this disc we will now stick our flower. Okay, now I am taking stapler. Okay, now one by one stick the flowers on the edges of this disc. We have to cover the whole side edges with the flowers. Okay, now we will decorate these strings. I have some circular paper of orange and red color. Now we will stick these circles in this manner. Now I am sticking orange, then again I will stick the red one. And then again the orange one. Similarly we have to do with all the 8 other strings. Now we'll stick some leaves. Okay, now our beautiful flower wall hanging is ready now. It's looking so beautiful and colorful. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.